I say, man, I'm for do that. I'm my father, I'm go down the road, so go check, man. I'm tell you something top call me Barry, because my father name, so Omar, my name, here.
From my idea, my name, I call you Barry. You can't let it go now, man.
Here. So how deal with otherwise?
Me there now, but now I was at some more to drink and drop and I pick them at the tree.
I saw you hot all the while, man. The people in charge of it and then tree. Anyway, I'm a father, I'm give you one link and I stand forward there. Because remember, it's something you have to deal with for me. Yeah, man, I come back and check you later.
What kind of thing that you talk about?
Can't talk about that on the road now, man. Look more, I come check you.
Call me. I'm a number no change.
John was star. Ready for singing the party shot last night, me J. I tell him, my brother, girl dash her down there like nothing. I'll see you little friend down the road and see how she get hot, brethren. Little shot up, finish her and pan her to wind up and one other thing she a go on with dog.
Yeah man, all what go on in a genius, you see. You see her, you know. Sometimes you have to go on easy because you don't know man loaded, you know. Sometimes you have to go and steal from people.
Yo, I can't even know, you know, man, me well want to reach, you know. Like a thing go good though, man.
Yeah, man, a good vibe, man.
Yeah, no, man. You know, see, I show me up on a little program still, me give me a try deal with some things and make it go right way. Believe me, yo. I'm sorry, say me miss the party, you know, man, like, John know me, brother.
Daddy! Daddy! Boy, Daddy is coming like he nah work good, you know, man. I tell him, man, say he want to hear me, you know, nah hear me, you know. You wanna say the daddy, man? Yeah, give me a call, you, man. Oh, yeah, work hard, man.
Yeah, man.
Give me the spirit, man, I do it to you, man. Oh, yeah, say, man, let me do the thing to you, man.
Alright, man.
Go and go sit down and eat yourself, man. Remember, say you don't feel too good already, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
See, same thing I tell you, see there. And then something I tell you, say, I cause the problem in the day, man. See there. And then see me have cause the problem, and then I make you sick, you know, man. And then something I make you sick, you some more money you have to spend for medication, man. And the doctor tell you, say, you don't have to burn nothing, you smoke nothing, daddy. Daddy just here, you know, man.
Alright, sir.
I go and rake up your yard for you still, here.
Alright.
Go and sit down and easy, man.
Come back.
Yes, daddy.
I'm going to cool off, yes, sir.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Yo, my brother, you know, we are there with still in our way up to our way you going with how you're feeling about. Right now, brethren, and say everybody I get rich out of the game, brethren, everybody a chop line right now, watch there. That me pull down what day there, you know, fat fit in and look funny. Dog, me and you feel in the thing and mash up the thing and they burn up the road and I'm G.
Boy, you know, say me G, I don't really say, boy, I don't want to do the thing, but, you know, say, you, in your life, you have to think twice about them things, you see, so, boy, I would have to really consider it. You can't just say, yes, you go jump to conclusion and just do it, you see, you have to get it at all.
John, no, brother, me and you feel the burn up the road in the G. Because watch out, right now we think fit in all we want is just a phone, you know. We don't know your thing fit in, brother. You have no phone on there and you have good dark game, you know. You know, if you get up in the people and reset it, you know. That's all it taking, brother, right now, anything easy, you know. I'm gonna have them saying that them palm right, you know, with you side of me, that everything turn up, you see me? So right now, we want to get to see together, step forward and bridge and we do the work. You see me?
You know, so I not too know about the thing, me G.
Them man there can show you, my brother, what you talk about, man. Right now, they and the brother, see evidence right in front of your eye there, you know.
Boy, if your little work program now go nowhere, no brother. No way. You need to come over here, so brother, come join the game, brother.
Man, over here, so they go on, brother. Nothing over there, so brother. Everything I keep over here, so. See it there, it's a phone, get the right.
Wow, you mash up before daddy, man.
Yeah, man.
Me play it, man. Oh, yeah, say, man.
Me last sit talk to you, brother.
Daddy, you know, me and them man, the thing come down, man. Me and them man, not too deal, you know, daddy. Yeah, man, them man, not go on too good when them ready, you know. Every person, you know, they rum, you know, daddy. Every day, me talk to them, man, they appear badness, them a chuck, you know, daddy. Me not depend on the badness thing like them, you know, daddy. All them pray are just with gang and gun and all them things, daddy. You know my thing different, you know.
Omar, are your brother, you know. You have to be easy with the man go and talk to him, you know. Because, boy, when you check it out,
Daddy, all what go on, you know. I know me fit talk to him, you know. And I tell you the truth, because you want now, you see when we are boy, and him no use to praise, you know.
No, man.
And him on used to give everything, you know.
Never used to praise no boy, no, man. Nah, none of you, right? We love you the same way. Don't hold on, we love you the same way, right?
Why you wouldn't remember, you know? But me remember, you know. Yeah, man, and him on used to give first preference. So him supposed to be around here right now. Him supposed to be around here right now more than me, you know. And me there come here and do all kind of thing around here, you know. That man supposed to be there, you know. Yeah, daddy, but here one now. I know me I go talk to him, yeah, man. Somebody else have to talk to him, yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Omar! No answer. Omar!
Yo, I saw them a bill of deer. I saw them a bill of gone up, man. Watch all the light bill, man. So they expect you old man to pay all them money. 50,000. My God. Daddy! Daddy!
What?
Daddy there, man.
You there, man?
How around I see them, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me that something that tell us if you tap bunny grabber, man.
That's true, man.
You know, say I see him to make way for you buy some medication for you, man. And he's sitting in there, you know, man.
Just a little drum here, tipping, man. I soon tap, man.
Daddy, you have to hear, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, I'm not sure we don't want nothing I'm you know, man. You understand? Because watch out, all the light bill and see all the light bill come in, you know. And the light bill high, you know, how you pay them money?
I always look at a pension, you know. Pension is supposed to can go and do a thing.
Why a pension can't nothing, Daddy? The last time you get a pension, you know, man, you remember saying that him chicken back he could him buy?
That's true, man. That's true.
Say that can't work, man. And me have to go deal with Daddy, man. Come, Daddy, man. Give me a sit there where you have, man. You see all the medication you have to take now, man.
Yeah, man.
Come, man. Come, man. Nobody do them a sit there. Them a sit there, I'm a shut down in a man. See
That's
medication, them have, see them have to take, man. Come in, man. Come on, man. We catch some water and something, man. Make I get the medication, them, man. I want you, man. You want sick out, man. We don't want to lose there, no, man. Come, man. Just not, daily.
We are going with General.
You know, say, you me a look for, man, everything good.
Yes, sir. You know, some there, man.
Are you me a come check in, man? So, you deal with them, Rasta?
There, you know, my General. We are going with.
There, man, I hold them, you know. Everything
You know,
good.
some there, I clip off and look a piece of weed. I see them, you know.
See him there.
Piece of what I want, sell a piece of it still, you know.
Yeah, no.
Sitting, you know, man.
That one smell good, you know, brother. Yeah, man, yo. Look on the weed, man. Yo, weed look good, G.
Yeah, man, a bad sitting, man, and a body surround the place, man, right?
Yeah, no, but yo, why I know, Rasta? You know, say, I don't really know weed more to buy still, you know.
For real.
Yo, I business more and go in, you know, G.
Okay, then.
Yeah, man, because you want me, you know. So I know say you run off your thing, G. And if I do a little work down at the hotel, dog, and I tell you, say, I lose a little work, brother. That's what I deal with. So, you see through that, you know, I have to try sit in general. But I try to go look herbs, dog, and less time this.
Yeah, man, alright.
And then I go on extra diet, my brother, alright?
No, sir, alright. Yeah,
Better I try this, brother. You know, 9 pitney me get in a dog. Yeah, man, so I have youth them out the G, so watch out now. My business more going on.
So, like, alright time I forward, you know, my General. You see the strain of weed, I saw what tangy weed, brother. I tell you, you know, it depends on price, you know, brother. I tell you, you know, then weed, you know, top 70,000, then weed, I go for a whole heap of artists pass through and buy them weed. You know, burn them weed, you know, General. It's a different meds they get, you know, brother. Feel like I want to lift up and do things, you know.
So like that the one there, boy, them one on the beach, you know.
They don't know, you know. Bomb strain them, you know. So anyway, still, me, you know. You see me? A long time me I grow them weed, I still, you know, my General. Some kush weed, you know. take a while to build this train, but we build up here, you know them way. Yeah man, I have here right around the place and all, you know. So can't bust up on a thing man, but I'm right now, you know, because when I done clip up then we there just on the road me I go, you know. Busy right now, you know, so you done, you know. They have to link me back tomorrow for that thing, you see me?
My general, no say a word, you know. Man, we link up, see?
Alright.
So yo, what you say? You say me can't keep a piece of land.
Dear man,
Yo,
don't know,
yo,
yeah,
do I smell general?
Hold that man.
No, respect here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I tell us that. Why girl ain't wicked, you know? I believe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, crucial, man. I tell us that crucial.
You knew not this, you know.
I tell us that last son, I tell you about it, man. Yo, why she give me away? Yeah, man.
So then stay, man.
If me have a next girl like that one, me run off and jump over one cliff, you know. You think I joke, man. You think I joke, brother, man.
I say, brother.
Hey, may I say the girl empty me house, you know.
Well,
Done everything in there, you know. Then him turn on, yes, hey, you think of that, you think of that. He empty house and gone with all I sit them. You don't know where he gone with them.
bad woman.
When saying God, hey girl turn around and burn up my clothes, you know.
Well, I go through worse than you, man. Can me get 2 penny one at a time, you enough for me, no, man. One enough for me. Yeah, man, truth, me tell you.
Yeah, no, where you said 1 out of 2.
You man say pregnant me, man, and me buy everything for him, man. Everything, you know, brother. Pyjama and really night clothes, baby clothes, everything. You see in the pit, man. Brother, one of them out there twin enough for me. You believe that, brother?
I want a wicked girl, that, my brother. I want the wicked man. Yeah,
When
man.
me look on the tooth, me go hospital, go look in car, me say I'm pitney. When me go, me see him face screen drop, like him out to cry. So me say, man, I put them there. He can't answer. Me just walk out, you know, man. Not a word in English I get to tell you, but watch you know. Better me dey take them too. Cause he go foreign, his mother da foreign, he go foreign and come back. And the 2 pitney, I want to teach a girl, you know. The 2 pitney, one of them are accountants and one of them are nurse. Truth I tell you, know. So better me dey take them. If me dey take them, whether they get nurse money and accountant money too.
Yeah,
You know
man.
say?
Yeah, man. I tell you, so they out there, my
What?
brother. They out there, man. They're terrible out there. Yeah, man. They wicked for show, man.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Show, man. Right now, boy, I think to come more, you know. You know, the rum, the rum done, you know.
Not you look more too, man.
I want to drink that for you right now, brother.
Mm.
I tell you. I want if you girl can give
Man, you must can get a trust from him. See if you can get a trust from him, man. Eh? Yes, man. From man, if they drink, man, we must can get a trust.
What you mean, man?
You can
Yo,
do that,
they
man,
have
get
it
one
from
trust,
man
man.
for show, man. Yo, you call him if you get a trust, but this I done, you know.
How you mean?
We name a chaser, brother.
Call him that, man, we get a trust, man. How
Call
are you?
him, man.
Yeah. Call him.
Sharpie. Sharpie.
Yo, I'm on.
Come in now.
Now come back, give me 2 minutes.
Alright, do your thing, we're there. Yeah, man, I will say, man. There, man, I go and hold it, see him here, man. Boy, I tell you, say, not pretty.
Yes, I'm going to know.
Go on.
That more here than you call me.
Boy, I'm there, I hold it, you know, everything good otherwise.
Yeah, man.
See you look like you cook around there. Eh?
Now cook along with that boil the water.
When you burn it up, you know. But you look like you got fresh up those shopping. Fresh up on win idea, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I thought on win idea. Anyway, you want now, no? You say, I flash I run out. And we are one team want flash from you.
Remember say, oh, me some money, you know.
Yeah, I know shopping, man. You know where you going, man. But you know, don't know where you go, man. They are flash for a man. I run out of money still, you know. Yeah, man, they are flash for a man, man. All the last time you run out of New Orleans sitting there. So I say, well, I take it from you in the evening. God knows still.
When you go give me a little something, you hold me.
Yeah, about Friday, you know.
But I did say last time, I know. You forgot to. Eh?
Yeah, you know, say sometimes money they not come in, or want if you come in, you know. You understand? I just that I think, you know. I want
That's why you should give me at least $100, $200, no. You would have cut down, no?
And see here walk on trust pan now carry up higher. When me go get that little something there now? Listen me, I'll get a drink for you one, but not for your friend. Me not gonna trust you half you know. Me give you one drink for yourself. Me not trust for your friend, but you can get trust for you one.
You want me know one thing can't share for me and what for me and this man I want to get a drink.
So I'm daughter. You don't drink liquor too?
If you got your bill high up, if you got that few bill head and fee man, and you take long to pay. Remember say year before last year, I 6,000 and you intend to pay me. Every time you ask you, nothing not go on, and you know said things slow, you find all type of excuse to give me, and you not even pay all 200, 500, not give me no money, no at all. So me, you not intend to say nothing, no? Because I not trust you nothing.
What do you think, man? You feel you, man?
You're mad. A police me so called upon you.
No, man. Nobody with that, man. Nobody with that, man.
Nobody with that.
Yeah, but Shappy, you couldn't just come and someone and take one drink for my friend, man, one drink for myself, or buy one drink for myself, man, or trust, yeah, I can't give my friend a drink, man. That alright, man, I not this my friend, man. I not this to you know. So I deal with, nah, this to man, if you can help you, man. Yeah, man, because you don't know where they are from, man, you know, we are drink, I just run out a little cash, you know. But it will go happen still, man, if I'm tomorrow morning, man. So I deal with, tomorrow morning we can't deal with it.
You don't know this man, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Go up a top road there, some man. Go trust out the whole of my friend, bar, man. You have all 9,000 of the up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This man pile up your bill and can't let you walk away and laugh after you and go give young girl free money. You don't know why you already me here saying get 25,000 and look for pay me and go give my girl around here so if you go suck off brace.
So Ella, and then something you going with, man. Suck off some element sitting there. But you go hard, man. You go hard, brother.
You want to go on with me, General? I have a little plan, you know. Yeah, man, we make up a thing to get the half doing. Yeah, man, we work out a way to get the half doing, man. But yo, hear me, I say you that go on, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, man? You don't know what I say. I want to enjoy myself, man. Eh? Why you say enjoy myself now?
Well, you want. Shappy, get you with the money, you know. Yeah, man, what you talk about? You know, say that's how we work, man.
So give me money now, no?
Alright, we are come, man. We are come with it, man.
Why me not feel good?
Man, to you now.
Come to you.
You feel sick, man.
Then sit down,
You
man.
drink too much rum.
Yeah, deal with, man. Sit down, man. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, say, man. One to you.
Man, me not feel good, man.
John, no, eh?
Yeah, man, me sick, man.
So how long now you feel so, man?
Me not feel good, man.
No go to, just lean back and easy, man. Lean back and easy, man.
Yeah, man. Pain, man. No feel good. Turn bad, man.
Right, man. Take off your hat, man. Take off your hat, man. John, no, eh? Yo, just stay some, man. Stay some, man.
Man, turn bad, man.
John, man. Shappy. You don't know how to call it.
Jesus Christ.
You don't have on the counter.
No, me not have no, me didn't really say alcohol, no, me didn't even realize.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Call the ambulance, me not know for ambulance.
John, no, start. Easy, my brother. Easy, brother. Hear me, I say, Shappy. Give me room, Shappy. Shappy, give me room, Shappy. My future room. Give me room. Just give me room, Shappy. Yeah, man, I run more, Shappy. Give me room. Yes, Shappy. Yo, you go alright now. You go alright. Don't worry yourself, brother. Alright. Yeah, man, you go alright. Room, come, man. Smell the room, man. Smell the room. Hold on, smell the room, man. Smell it. Smell it again, man. Smell it again, brother. Smell it again. Yeah, man. Smell it one more time. Watch out. Come in, man. Come in here and get a fresh breeze, man. I don't talk about, man.
You know, left room, man. Yeah, left room. Care room, man.
Oh, God. Ella. It's a good thing you chat. You go feed and care.
Yeah, man.
Happy. You know what I said? I forgot the room. You know what I said? I want it to go through in my boss head. Here. Yeah, man.
don't take out your misery, yeah?
You're not too late. You're not too late for your stop. You can't bring you in and make you get somebody and make then get help for you. You need help. You need to talk to somebody. Like we don't know what really go down in your past or whatever. But you need
Shut
help.
up. You don't know nothing about me. You really need to shut up. Brother.
You're sick. You need help. Tini, you need to get help. You're not going to get away with this. Me, I tell us you're not going to get away with this.
Shut up, shut up. Help. Meaning help. And you need help to stay you in a room. Come like I can't see.
You just, we can't even imagine the amount of turmoil we are going inside of your head right now. And you are refused to get help, just going to make it worse.
Boy, turmoil. You know, I feel like to get electrocuted while wet. Alright, so. I'm gonna try to experiment. Let me show you what turmoil be.
Ah, girl, how you do? Yo, move fast.
I tell her say, yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just ring sitting in a, yo, you make man a pre some way in hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make, man.
Say, yo, man, yo. You know, say all the while I do this thing, big man, I'm a pretty certain way right now. Because I tell you the truth, you know. You know, say, yo, man, I'm rich, you know, Virgin, as a man, you know. I don't have no money, you know. Also, me I try, also my thing, you know. Alright, now I make man pre some way, you know. To do all some things.
Yes, sir, I don't know how, I don't like how you behave, man. Too little time, nothing no move, you behave, so, man. Oh, man, you don't have to behave, so, brother.
You don't even know say me
Yo,
the man
whip.
go empty me clip in your face and a response what me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know. That's
Yo,
so
whip.
nice, man, yeah. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah, man. Me there, man. Come on, peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big
You
man.
have to go and say, you know,
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
You
man,
have to
if
go on
you
like
just
that,
go
right,
on where you go, big man.
easy.
So you say you need no more, I pray.
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say you 50 grand no more.
Whip. Me a regular customer, you know, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know everything risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this, you know much money. You know, long now they have to spend in a prison, see them way for this. You have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So a 50 grand take you or leave you, you know, this way there, you know.
Alright, give me. Give me 15 ounce. Same like you last time.
I'll go for your stuff, don't. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill dog and if he come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be here, say I mash up down so you know dog. Yeah, man, you see him be there, we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy, them police boy, they want her for dog. She a mash up the place, you know, dog. Yeah, man. Right now, dog, I'm not going to one, but that girl in my place, you know, dog, man. I make it dog, they know it thing going, you know, brother. Because God know, you know, brother, the woman, you know, normal, you know, dog, I tell you, you know. And she a mash up the whole over, so, you know, brother, and I look at she
Yeah, I go an idea, you know, in a place, yeah. John, no star. Okay, I'm going for me an idea, yeah. Lighter, yeah. Yeah, biscuit sweet there, yeah. Yeah, man, everything there, yeah. Yeah. I come like say what I'm sardine and God, I was see it on, so I jack down I walk. Yeah, man, everything look like, man, can chop a food. Yeah, that's it.
I go and Tevin. You look like you're happy. We're here about.
There, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sir, you know, say, I don't really not like that. But, don't know, say, I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know. So I feel good, you see me? Yeah, man. I buy a decent fridge, come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cold water can't drink, and no. I will tell you. I say, I heard,
anyway,
man, I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
You say hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright. So I go on.
How much is the feet again?
150.
$100 me have, you know.
Alright, 150 for Joseph, you know, my friend. John, you know. So me I deal with, you want me, you know. I really want you to take you as a habit and you trust him for early morning, you know. You don't know, I ducks no broke yet, you see me?
Alright, sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright. Let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just send it on.
Alright. You tell your boy, you come back with money, you come over and fool you take man for. They were sitting on the door all the while, I come short my money, I come talk about you come over. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man want to say, be a police dog, they say, no bad boy.
Eh?
Tell the dog. Come like at the whole upper station up there, say, brother. At first, I see too much police in that place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, say, bad man. Shot fire? You ain't no shot about the place?
You no shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, say, because I'm not going to say, make them board all and pull me, you know. See once me get all the new work right now, you don't need no police, bad boy.
Don't worry, man. Yo, just go and block Sessa, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career road, them go and check some man up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold the other, brother. You see me? So when you say I go on now, you see you up on a new work.
Until I say out when the hotel me get a piece of work there, you know, my brother, and thing I go on good, still in a bad man. You see a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah man, people them love off weed up there, especially the white boy them in the dog. Swear you a piece of food can make right now is a link more right now, I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes, brother, man. Then yo, you don't know say right now you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah man, a right place to come, G man. A right place to come right now you link their foot. Any month you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind, yo, how the price them steak? Right now I want a good £1.5 or so to bring in, brother.
Oh yeah, say man, right now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it. But here why prayer now in general. Me have to go make a link, you see me, towards the pricing of rare and to get in the amount where you want, because you know really their foot so like that, you see me.
Yo,
yeah.
You know so the lemon kush we had both them at talk about when I hotel there, brother. Around when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get piece, you know. Yeah man, you can get piece by a little more.
£1.5, how much you know?
You want no, £1.5, it will run out about, £1.5 will run out about 250,000.
Alright then.
£1.5.
Simple much that man, you can make back that man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now and make a dog jack on my foot. You hear?
Alright then, it's a couple hours from now.
By
you see?
5 o'clock, man, that at least.
Yo, cuz.
That's guidance and protection. Are you right place, G?
Alright, you see how old, man. You know, say I'm a general.
Yo. How you hack, man? Remember, say, boy, then you out there, you know, man. But I go too fast, brother. Go and humble, man.
Yo. Look at them gun, man. Look at them cut, man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you said 5 o'clock, you know?
Yeah, man, by 5 o'clock, man. How are you, man?
See how
By
old,
5 o'clock, me J, man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
It's a hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here?
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So, I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around
yeah,
here?
man, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there, some live. Yeah, man, we just operate in the shop, so, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, so you managed to. All this by yourself, like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this looks like a lot of work.
Yeah, man, I have a girlfriend, man. And I tell her, say, as I mentioned, girlfriend, I tell her right now, I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, because I tell her, say, right now, she means the world to me, my friend. Yeah, man. But you want now, you see shop part not really hard to run. Yeah, the part not really hard to run. We just buy the stock of we buy and put in back of we put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah, man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over there, you say you live, right?
Yeah, man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down here.
Yeah, man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most of the times. But based on work, you know? Yeah, she have to dip on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, me sorry, you know, feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, and like a company.
Yeah, man, you don't know, saying as man, like feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her, or I text her, you know. And so we just link wire that see me. You understand? Yeah, man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin, my name, man, Kevin. You can just call me Kev. So anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is there anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev, if I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it looks like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Well, you know, say, me try get, you know, say me I try understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And we start to a string of plates, or you want.
Alright, I tell you, Tina. Tina, you see them was right? You know, Tina, I tell you, so no, you're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend, and I tell you the truth, I don't really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear, but in case a girlfriend forgot what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy.
phone. That's my phone, man. That's I want to let me left you over yard, man. Oh, clean. What's the name for go clean? Oh, yeah, something left it. To that. But that's more time I'm gonna call her, man. But I have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, me reach and by me reach out there, me then a little time I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now and me look over the whole place and I never see it. So me just say me I take time and walk come over here, come look what I go on if over here, me left it. So when me see them, me call them, and that's why me say me have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah, man, me wish woman. No, be man, no bother with them thing there, man. No bother with them thing there, man. Which woman you talk about, man? I tell you, say over the shop, I walk go. Woman over there. Say, me there, woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness, man. No bother with them things, man. And then sit there, me can't deal with the thing, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, no bother with them things, man. You see why you push off for me, you know. Over foolishness. I mean, I tell you, say, I left the phone over here, there. Eh. Yo, you want now, no bother with them things, man. A joke thing you depend, you know, man. Because right now my head kind of hard for a morning thing, you know. You come with them advisor for me, you know. A different thing you depend. I not really depend on vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So I wish you to hang up on me. So all them are sitting here know me, I tell you, you know. All them are sitting here know me, I tell you, you know. You see all them are vibe, you know. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So, I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must tell you the honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel as if I come back now I can get like a next chance. You give a next impression. I just want to drink. Obviously say you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from whatever I just said a while ago. I just want to drink. One drink now kill you.
Yeah. You can't have a one drink still, yeah? You can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have can help to cool me off.
Yay, that is great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some of the tequila.
So you see I chase it with an miss?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Why may I tell you, my friend Trust me, I'm glad you kind of come down on a level, you know. Because, boy, I told you come in for me not too long. I swear, say, I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wonder how just come on upon him so.
Yeah, I'm serious, say you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then what I tell you stay alive because that's just a God. That's literally not me.
Yeah, but me happy to know, say, you know, you change up the vibe and thing because right now, me I tell you the truth, me have one woman there and she is not too good, so me can't do take on no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know. The best to me, but yes, when it come down to the woman part, I chip out. Yes, I'm not really run and joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say you go on, Miss Tina. Where you go hard, man? You can't make a show me up, so man. Then I have to take one shot, to man. Where you go hard, man? I cannot take a shot. I cut your door, you know, but as I mentioned, high school. But ever tell you, say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me, as I was saying.
Alright, sorry.
Exam and go drink, like with smoke, with drinks. You know, this is going from a long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today, there, everybody feels so we're seeing, like nobody at all. I mean, like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah, man, watch out now, I give you our next instance, you know. You know, say, I go to school, you know, hear what we do. Save up the lunch money, you know, and decide, say, you know, so we not go to school today. So here we buy the entire Appleton, a big buckle them. Yeah, man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton, you know, one big buckle of Pepsi, you know. Yeah, man, I tell you, so what, we turn around a yard back, you know, and say, I drinking for the day, you know. Half day we do around there, you know, every man junk, you know. We live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle when I come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah, man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat, pay bad with me, of course. Take me up and carry me go over yard, what lick me get. And I tell my friend, I'm not normal. I get licks until I wake. From that day, I never junk again. God know. But we got to it, man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and I end up say one drink, and see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when we have fun. But we can't share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one tracer this time.
Are you yourself on the rocks? So, right, like it, I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. Two, you say? What kind of cheese you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna have with steel. Could you want to drink, all the time I can't go wash home? No, sir.
Christina, you want now, you know someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright?
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah?
So,
I feel relieved.
I saw your brother long.
Yeah,
You know
man.
how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink your one juice, man. I'll hurry up.
That tastes different. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it is. No. But Mr. Afi is so good. I don't want me drinking ice. I'm feel someone me feel weak and free. Yo, you know, our girl, how we putting a drink, give me? Eh? How we put? Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just, what me do here now? So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh? You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush.
Stop
it. Shut
Yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, let me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. That's supposed to can't hold me half an hour. Tie you up. That way over. No, full time. No, damn God.
Which part? Where am I there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
How am I there, you know, my girl? My girl, you don't know who you are dealing with, you know? You don't know who you are dealing with, you know? Yo, no matter of fact, you hear all the bike them out there saying that means you're not far me there from the road, you know? Yeah, but you take off all them off of me right now, you know? Go on about my business, you know? Because right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know? Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know?
Then, brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you guan. Can't come like something wrong with you. You can't see. You're blind. Look where me fright for. You know what man, but I want me now, and you are going like an idiot. From a come here, you're going like an idiot, like you don't want nobody, but have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me type person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say me not know one. Eh? But if I'm police, they must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, here what you do. Just tell me what I go and tell me what I do, make me do it. If I'm money you want, girl, just tell me you want me give you, man.
Bro, you not understand. No money at all. Not in this world there. Can, what should I say? Help me. Brother, it's like you don't understand. You me want. But everything I got alright. You see, if you never did that place stubborn, in the first place, more than have you in our rooms. All of this is because I did that place stubborn. But don't worry. I don't have nothing for you, but most of all, you soon understand what we have when all this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, say me I tell you say from you coming in the shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah man, God know me not trust you from the first time you come in the shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. You hear? I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to a doctor. You say something to you.
Shut up!
What you mean for shut up?
What me say? Shut up!
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman, you know.
You know hear me say shut up. But one go to doctor. One go to doctor way. Look how me a treat a good and you come talk about one go to doctor. And then say when me get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and me have to deal with it or come deal with the rest.
Say right now, I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog like up the place. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. Where the dog gone, man? One left him there. The door open. Most of the girl him down with. Hello, mommy. General sit over there?
No, you know, going up on the road, him go, you know, saying going make stock, you understand? So, he now come back about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know, says a little thing me and him for deal it still. I don't know if him tell you nothing still, but me circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, he never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone, I'm going to see the shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, I come back about 2 to 3 hours. Just have him to lock up the place, you understand?
Alright, then make a dog know some me circling, right?
Alright, we make him know what I'm going.
Make some link with some man in the dog. It's like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come to the shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you see her come from the shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come to the shop today. I see you earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. And if it's circling back, I'm going out there and the shop locked. I say, I want one kitty up there and I know, she tell me say I'm not dead it. And she lock up the place. And then if I told me dress her or me look still, you see me, but when I trust her style, I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have no link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this still.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, you know, so I just come up and shop on the shop. Lock, brother. Which part you there? Up in your yard.
I phone on the pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.
B, you still like give me money to buy the clothes and do my nails? So the friend I say I'm gonna sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say, alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah, man, give it.
So Alicia, remember you know when man a spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. If I that in depend, man a depend that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna call one girl in case if I not want no. Right now I'm gonna call her too.
Alright.
James, now come in, alright? James! The boy like outside here, me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you know used to the place, Carla. Yo, pull up your and come in. Like you know used to the place.
DJ, you still got the party later? So you don't have nobody to give you money?
I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even for beg or borrow.
So that means that you're not going to go then?
Well, that have to just wait and do.
Alright, I see. I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you come at the party.
Really, girl? You done did that for me? That's why I'm here for real, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on, I carry on. But you take another level, me not see them at all.
She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me to ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she bright.
Easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You not share, man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me? What kind of man if you share? I'm not share my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. You don't panic when you smile. What kind of man you share? My man not money nor food for share. Me a brighty girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When girl and my man do things they do better than me and she taking me from me, you're mad.
And suppose your man out there with other woman, where I say about that? Where I say? You don't know, you know. Remember saying not gonna have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better off me don't know about him and me and share my man, you know, because me know that Dalios thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then go touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad. You can't do that. That I just them both man and woman I got mash up because me and beat the two of them. Me and chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
They don't if it's a case where me and please your man the right way and you not please him the right way.
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my ear, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills in the house, so I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything's there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one do a man do about it.
Enough woman out there share them man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, me go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish to wash. And me have to go take my boyfriend the money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if anything later, I come call her or check your back account.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember for collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
Kim, what you wanna sing out as a girl?
My friend just left from right, so that's
So girl, yeah, you're party I keep later, you know go.
I could have asked her some money, but they said wait for go do my ear. I'll start now, right now. Yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother. Yeah, come right to kill sometimes if she gone.
So your brother give money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I might take him things then.
What's me dying trial? You not hear me call you, Deirdre? You in here listen to Satan music.
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie and me just use them, I can wash them up when we finish.
But Deirdre, me needed that to come in here and tell you, say if you wash them. We can't do so much something. It's better you going back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn what list? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go watch up the plate then. Me not do it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
Carl, if you ever check my ear, I come back with a bag of nice, Carl, you know? Can't make nobody know it, you know, so business, you know? Yeah.
Girl, see girl I left there now.
Alright, now come go.
Man, what did I do right? I know. Hello? Carla. Yeah, man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine, say, DJ dey on phone, I listen to music and he play them the wash? No, me no know how you do it. No, man, look like some me have to go send her back. Not talk to her.
It not work out. Me can't take it stress. Me don't want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell DJ I'm not gonna talk to her.
No, but you should have grow her to help you out. No, and me, I want to get in trouble too.
Me I hear you, me I listen to everything, sister. No, man. Me just say me I go help you out. Me ain't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her. Alright.
And may I come down there later, because I have a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah, man. Talk to her. Me can't bother. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Me talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay. Alright.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate, then I want you beg buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm not talking for conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You have no manners. Better I'm broke now. Take it from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to wipe car glass and all kind of other things. If a glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deidre. Go on, man. Alright, man. You can do better, Deidre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Akeem going on the field with you. Yo, the dog right now, thing hotting up. Yo, who that girl? She look good something. I'm set up to her. Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. Order. Sexiness. Order. Ugly girl. Tough girl. Yeah, man, I call them and I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You go butterfoot girl. I saw you stay now. You go long man there complimenting and say, yeah, behave. As man just say something bad, I saw you here. You see all them girls that's I'm going to deal with them more time in my house.
Achoo, man.
Man, sorry. What are no ways, man?
You want to do what's up, man? You don't stand road at that football.
Oh, the war again, the brother.
Go, my brother. You alright?
Oh, where there?
You see your sister here still. You can't get your sister one money for do her ear. Nobody tell me the excuse. That every time I see her is an excuse.
Yeah, what? I don't money I know.
I don't want an excuse.
I don't money I know, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Not
time.
there, no money.
I'm tired of that, no. I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
Yo, give me a son, man. This is right now, what you there, man. Yo. Give me a son, yo. What I'm on this? Let me tell you this. I'm about to come back to you, know. I'm about to come back, you know. This bag of nice. What kind of yard this? What? What, this bag of excitement? What kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party, and come up and go want something.
Listen, man. Just go on, man. I'm about to phone this, man. Most one papi show yard is the right. You don't understand this. So I go on here. Everybody come and make one bag of loud nice with the excitement down and something, man. How do you know, man? Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. I say left man gate. The point never come and see me. I said the left man gate. See all, you know? You make people run in and people and do some bag of things, you know. It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
Deidre! We are there!
Mommy, Dad. Yeah, Mommy.
Alright?
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come back on the phone with your auntie, you know? Yeah. And you know the things that my shot tell me where you go on with it is not really like, I don't like it, you understand? And right now, me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell her to do around the house, do it. I'll sometimes don't even make she tell her to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace
Me I watch TV, she call me Deidre.
Deidre, them not something the way you complain to me about. Them not something that not necessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing a plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something that you're a young lady? You understand? Right now, it's the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister want to say and help do everything around the house. Help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah, I saw life going on. I use a young lady. I want you to come out to somebody. I want you to come out to be somebody in our life. You're not go up there forever, you know. Yeah, you're not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We don't picking nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach you know and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand what I tell you? So you don't worry your head and and going like you want to disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're going to see that she was helping you out.
So girl, waiting. I can't ready, I got a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or anything.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to cock up.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah. Alright. So you're good to go. I just Deandra we have. Me a take service. Cause she
Deandra, she now.
I'm gonna make she all long, you know?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna wear this. Cause this short little shape and something.
I hope she wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so I wear shorts. Cause I'm gonna just in a long skirt and then something.
Yeah, girl, just think a church wear go.
I'm not gonna test so. This is gonna make your bottom look bigger.
Girl, not just I said that, you know, cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, you know. I don't want to look flap.
You're not gonna look flat or fat, you just have to look simple in the shot.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay, you know me stay.
You not look no way, girl. Honest, you know say talk truth, you know. This will make your bottom look big, girl. You gonna look nice in this make. But this nice too, you know. But this I gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did he get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy short the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I'm get everything I want. And me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I'm give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come about you down here, sir? Where you come down here, sir? Come to now.
Auntie send me come buy look at 2 eggs, but the shop lock.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie will wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she will send me.
I'll make you talk to my sister. I'll make sure allow you to go to the party. Okay? You're having the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out. Alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink for get drunk. Alright, so some money here, alright? I'll tell your auntie some soon come. Alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alicia, what think I read that shot? Because it's good for me.
Alright, we are anything you want. Let's get a look good anyway. See your phone over this side.
Hello? Alicia, I'm so come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
Me don't know so she did it. You know, look at time you want to spend with them for a party, so me can go link you again. Alright, me link you at party, yeah?
I'm just not in I wish I do this for so long.
Alright people, yes, I know the video need for longer. It need for at least be 1 hour and a half. I don't know can get that, but we are gonna make a deal. This is the deal we are gonna make. So if you're not subscribed yet, you need to click the red button there and subscribe. You need to go in the comment section as well and motivate the actors and actresses them so they feel motivated to come again and put in the work. Because trust me, it can be really intimidating and frustrating. But it will be worth it to them if they see in the comments where you guys love their efforts. Because coming from me alone and tell them say them I do good, them probably not gonna believe me. But when you tell them will believe. You see me? I'm not asking to send me no money. You understand? I'm not asking to send me no equipment. Nothing at all. All I need you guys to do is like the video, comment, share it, send it to somebody. Say, yo, pre that video and tell them what you think. Then say, yeah man, I like it. And say, yo, share it with somebody else and tell them the same thing too. You see me? And you can get, I want 2 hour video. Yeah, I want 2 hour video. So, yeah people, just do that for me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, but St. Thomas people. They're up at the east side. Them have East Indian mango up there like crazy. All up to a dog. You know down west if one East Indian mango drop, be time if you reach the ground, somebody take you up already. You see if it drop you so, they don't want it. You have to come straight off a tree, you see me? So yeah people, apart from that, for your entertainment, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Yeah. I shall soon the next blouse and skirt before I go away. So this channel now to get short films, vlogs and all of that. But I'm going to put a link, as a matter of fact, the pinned comment. So there, check the comment section, the first comment, the one that is at the top. It will take you to the channel that will have full-length movie videos like this. You understand me? So subscribe to that channel. That is the channel where I upload the full-length thing them fun. If you no uphold for no end of the bargain, which is liking the video, subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, share, comment and motivate the actors and actresses them. That's all Lara asking for the people. That's all. I'm at St. Thomas by myself, by the way. Meet some new people, just a film with them, share my world with them, them a share for them world with me. And it's an amazing experience. I really like it. So yeah, just do that for me and you can get videos upon videos upon videos upon videos upon videos. Lara not asking no money, Lara not asking no equipment, Lara not asking no for stress out on herself. Everything where Lara asking no for do, when you can do it right now, we just at top of the thing. You see me? Boom boom, share, Facebook all about, boom, like, boom, subscribe. You do good there, so I like how you act there so. That's all. Yeah, entertainment is delivered. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to subscribe and go over that channel to go subscribe to send you up to 1,000 or whatever. I might post this over there as well so you can run up the watch hours for me and probably get it monetized. But yeah, until then, Lara shall soon go match up some East Indian mango, probably come back some West Spoon. Little more.
DJ, you know, so I just come off of the phone with your auntie. And she say, you're not going good, your behavior is not good in the house. And you know, say,
action.
Let's cut back.
And action.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. What's something to say? That you can cut back in
action.
So Alicia, what is it back here? Well, I don't remember what I said. So I said, Alicia, what if I want kids to it already?
Alright, yeah. And action. And action. And
ready. Oh, me want to start and some for look around, sir.
So I said, well, I can say, well, so put it like that. I think it kind of makes sense. If the action.
I mean, we never understand what. So I'm interested in that. So anyways, girl.
And action.
So anyways, talk to her now, please. I mean, we not did anything. So anyways, girl,
Me a cost. We can't do it. Can't just look at the door face now. We can't do it.
Action.
Kim, what you want to Should I say it now? One look away a while ago, enough to go.
Hold on, I want that.
Kim, what you want us what you want to sit on your side though?
So girl, you know, yes, the party I keep up. So you wanna go? Yeah, girl, me I got the party, you know. But Jesus Christ.
Action.
Yeah. She never asked me the question. You don't ask her. Oh, so
You know, so your auntie just called me and the things that she said to me on the phone, you know, I not really like to hear them something about you as you be my daughter. You hear me, sir? Yeah, you know. So,
Action.
Deidre, when me was for your age and then something there, when me was a little pitney, a cow, goat and them something there, me that fear look after, I milk the cow and I milk the goat and them something there and I carry them a bush and all of them something there. So you are complaining about washing up 2 little plate? 2 little plate? That is nothing, nothing compared to what me did have to do as a little pitney. You understand me? And now we don't have taxi for carrying no go to school and then something there. And miles we used to have to walk. Miles we used to have to walk before we reach our school. And some of we not have no shoes and then something there. You understand me? I tell you? Yeah. So don't make sure to call me and tell me about bend up your face. I know wash up my dishes and then something there. You hear me? That is not nice. Not time.
no.
Action. Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. And if I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? You like come soon? I'm doing
Action.
That not so bad. That sound better than what my man I deal with. About no man full of sweet mouth talk. Action me deal with.
And action.
No man full of sweet talk, but the action me deal with. But anyways, one party I come up later. I don't know if I can give him a little money. And when I go and see him, I can put in a little more words and hear what you have to say.
Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. And if I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? You like come soon? I'm doing